Question number 3 of exercise 2.1. Okay, we have to solve it. We have to get the value of x and y, and I am solving it by using elimination method. This is my equation number 1, and this is my equation number 2. I am solving it by substitution method. Okay, so from equation number 2, my equation is 4x plus 3y equals to 8, 2y minus 3x equals to 11. I am starting from equation number 2. In substitution, we know that we have to select a single equation of our own choice, and then we have to make any variable as the subject. Again, it's your choice, but we can go with the variable which is having a smaller coefficient. Okay, so 2y minus 3x equals to 11, and this will become 11 plus 3x. So y equals to, shifting this over here, 11 plus 3x over 2. Okay, what I have done, I have taken y as the I have taken this equation and I have made y as the subject. Okay, now this is going to be my equation number 3, and I am putting equation number 3 in equation number 1. Why I am putting equation number 3 in equation number 1? Because if I will put it in equation number 2, either both sides will become equals to each other in a constant way, or both will become 0. Okay, so that's why equation number 3 will be plotted in that equation which you haven't chosen in the first place. Okay, so 4x plus 3, where I have got y, I will be writing 11 plus 3x over 2 equals to 8. Okay, simplifying it, 4x plus these two can't get cancelled, so 33 plus 9x over 2 equals to 8. Now I am taking LCM. So 2 4s are 8x plus 33 plus 9x over 2 equals to 8. How I have taken LCM, beta? Over here it was written 1. So I multiplied this denominator with this coefficient and this denominator with this coefficient, this whole thing, and then I have multiplied both denominator. Okay, 8x plus 9x will be 17x plus 33. This 2 shifted over here will become 16. Simplifying it, 17x equals to 16 minus 33, and when I will simplify it, so the result will be coming 16 minus 33 will be minus 17. 17 is being multiplied. When I will shift it over here, minus 17 divided by 17, x equals to minus 1. Now the value of x, which is minus 1, you can plot it anywhere, your choice, either in equation number 1 or in equation 2 or in equation 3. But I always prefer equation number 3 because it is already in y subject form. So put in 3. Putting it over here, y equals to 11 plus 3 minus 1 over 2. Y equals to 11 plus minus minus 3 over 2. Y equals to 8 over 2 and y equals to 4. This is going to be a final answer. X is coming minus 1 and y is coming 4 when we have solved it by substitution method.